10 Best Free Dating Sites Brussels, Belgium. Finding love in Brussels can be as complex as a Belgian chocolate recipe. From the endless swiping to mismatched connections, the journey to find the right partner is filled with challenges. Be sure to watch the whole video because there is a surprise waiting for you at the end. Death. Plenty of fish. Dive into a sea of possibilities. 9. Bumble. Take control of your dating life. 8. OkCupid's detailed profiles and questionnaires help you find matches based on shared values and interests. 7. Happen lets you connect with people you've physically crossed paths with throughout the city. 6. It's still a go-to for casual meetups and exploring potential connections without the pressure. Thank. eHarmony. Focused on serious relationships, eHarmony's compatibility-based system is perfect for those looking to end their solo journey. 4. Match. This site promises quality over quantity, ideal for those who are tired of casual dating. 3. Coffee meets bagel. Get one quality match a day, perfect for busy singles who want to avoid swiping fatigue. Do you like our tips so far? Like and subscribe to our channel to discover more secrets about online dating. The link is in the description. Now let's continue. 2. Elite singles. Meet professionals and academics in Brussels who are looking for something serious. 1. Lovoo. Explore real-time dating with Lovoo's live video feature, adding a layer of authenticity to your online dating experience. Bonus 1. Zoosk. Zoosk's behavioral matchmaking technology learns about your preferences as you use it, making your search for love in Brussels smarter. Bonus 2. Her, a leading platform for LGBTQ women offering both dating and social networking tailored to your interests. You are welcome to join our free international dating community. The link is in the description and comments. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel to get more tips about online dating. Want to know more secrets about online dating? Watch these videos next.